I'm going to artistically demonstrate the process of receptor-mediated endocytosis and the involvement of LDL receptors in the process of cholesterol uptake and metabolism. So first, the uptake of cholesterol from the blood occurs at the LDL receptor via receptor-mediated endocytosis. But in order for that to begin, we first need to synthesize LDL receptors, which happens in the endoplasmic reticulum that is shown here in purple. They then move to the Golgi complex, where they are matured. The Golgi complex then transports the receptors in small globules to the cell surface, where they cluster to form Catherine-coated pits, which we will soon see. So here is the cell surface, and the Golgi complex moves the receptors to the surface, where they form these Catherine-coated pits, which are indicated by blue punctures in the cell surface, as you can see right here. These pits are an invagination whose most abundant intracellular protein is clathrin, which is a self-interacting protein capable of forming cage-like structures. We then have the LDL here, which is beginning to be shown, which is made of cholesterol esters, which are shown in yellow, and apolipoproteins, which are shown in orange. The LDL receptor moves and binds to the LDL, and then the complex is engulfed and internalized into endocytotic vesicles. So here's the process of the cell engulfing the LDL particle. So now it is all engulfed and is internalized into these endocytotic vesicles. This binding occurs through recognition of the B100 apolipoprotein, the primary protein component of the LDL particle. Without this, it will not be recognized. Then several of these clathrin-lined vesicles fuse to form an endosome, which is shown here. Protein pumping in the endosome membrane causes the pH to drop, which in turn causes the LDL to dissociate from the receptors. The endosome then fuses with a lysosome, as we just saw, which puts the LDL receptor complex in contact with the hydrolytic enzymes of the lysosome. The LDL apolipoprotein is hydrolyzed to amino acids, and the cholesterol esters are hydrolyzed to get free cholesterol, as we could see here in orange. Then the receptor itself is recycled and is moved back to the plasma membrane to pick up more LDL. About 10 minutes is required for each round trip.